Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Autocad version and that you have admin or appropriate user permissions. Once done, open Autocad and type options into the command line, then press Enter. This immediately opens the Options dialog where Core Display Settings live. Make sure to navigate to the Display tab because that's where theme and color controls are grouped for consistent UI behavior. You'll see items for background, crosshair, and theme toggles. Change these first to set the base visual system. Now customize by clicking Colors in the Display tab to open the Drawing Window Colors dialog. This is where you change 2D and 3D background colors and individual interface elements. Choose the correct context such as model or layout, and then pick the interface element, like crosshair, grid, or viewport background, you want to edit. Adjust color swatches or enter RGB values for precision. Once you have a pleasing set, save the color scheme with a clear name and use the Preview button to confirm the look before. Finish by clicking Apply and OK in the Options dialog, and if necessary, restart Autocad to ensure the theme fully updates across all windows. To preserve or move your theme, export your user profile via the Quick Access /Profile menu so the color scheme and settings travel with it. If the theme fails to apply, reset to a default profile or rename the profile folder to regenerate configuration files. This often resolves corrupted settings. Make sure to back up any custom files before resetting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.